Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So if you have switched this to business or creator program and if you want to switch back to personal account, then all you need to do first is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram, and if you see update button right here, all you need to do is tap on the update button. Wait as it is updating, and then once done, you can now launch your Instagram or open your Instagram application. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to simply go to your profile. So open Instagram first, tap on your profile right here, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner. You have to click this one. That will take you to settings and privacy. And then here, what you're going to do next is just scroll down till you see the business tools and controls option. You have to click this one. Once you tap this, and if you're currently using the business account or creator account, if you go to switch account type, which can be found right here, if you tap this, then you will have your option. You can either switch to business or switch to personal account. So if you want to switch back to personal account or switch your Instagram to personal account, then all you have to do is tap on switch to personal account. You will see this message right here. Then you can read all the notification and warnings once you switch this to personal account. And if you have decided to switch this to your personal account, all you have to do is to click this switch to personal account. And that's it. If you go back and refresh, then you will notice that you're currently using your Instagram personal account. And that's how easy it is to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.